English conversation practice between two friends.
Hey James, how are you?
Oh my God, Jennifer. I am good. How are you?
I am amazing.
Great. Take the seat. This seat is empty.
Long time, no see?
Yeah, been busy with college. What about you?
Same. I have been busy with college too. What are you doing now?
I just finished my graduation. What are you doing?
I am doing homeopathy at a nearby college.
That's nice. How come you are on this train today?
My college is here, so I travel every day by this train. How come you are here today?
We had our convocation today, so everyone had to come and collect their degree.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. I have been traveling by this train throughout my graduation years, and it is one of the best trains.
Yeah, I know, it is always empty. And we always get a seat for ourselves.
This is the exact reason I used to board this train all the time.
After being tired for the whole day, it is a relief to board an empty train.
I know that feeling. What about your homeopathy? When is your course coming to an end?
Oh, it is going to take another year. I also have to intern compulsory. And only then I and other students will get a degree.
One more year to go.
Yeah, I hope it goes well.
Don't worry. It will go well.
I think the train has reached. It was good meeting you after a long time.
Yeah, it was nice to see you too. Anyway, we will meet soon. Till then, all the best and take care. Bye.
Yeah, I'll see you soon. You take care too. Bye.
English speaking skills practice? Hello.
Hi.
Do you speak English?
Yes. Where are you from?
I am from New York. My name is David. What's your name?
I'm Jennifer.
Are you new here? I've not seen you before.
I just arrived yesterday.
I hope you can understand my English. I'm still learning.
Yes, I can understand you. You speak very clearly.
Do you come from a big family?
Quite big. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I'm the oldest.
It must be difficult coming so far away from your family.
Yes, but I have always wanted to travel and meet people from other countries.
Do you like it here?
Yes. I am very excited to be here.
How long have you been here?
1 week. When and where were you born?
I was born in 1981 in New York.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married. What do you do for work?
I am a teacher. How about you?
I am a computer engineer.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's 9:30 a.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 9:30 a.m.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have any exciting plans this weekend?
Yes, actually. It's my friend's birthday. We're going to have a big party. What do you like to do on weekends?
I like playing cricket, reading and listening to pop music. I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry, I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there is a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thanks. Is there a bakery near here?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that. Could you please repeat?
Is there a bakery near here?
Yes. There's a bakery nearby. Take the next corner and it's next to the bank. I have to get going.
Thank you so much for your help. Have a good day.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye. Have a good day.
Catch you later. Bye bye.